With the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV, you can bring the cinema home. Its OLED panel has over 8 million self-illuminating pixels, giving you a high resolution with an incredible level of detail. It has some amazing tech that works to make every scene better and brighter. Its XR contrast booster is there to make on-screen colors really pop. And thanks to some very clever tech called temperature mapping, black areas look even darker and white spaces appear a whole lot brighter. It improves gaming too by reducing lag thanks to the variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode. You also get access to Sony's dedicated gaming menu, letting you unlock so much more. Acoustic Surface Audio Plus turns the TV into a speaker so that the sound comes directly from where the action is happening on screen. It fine-tunes every moment so everything sounds more real and lifelike. By pairing your TV to the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar, you can take your home cinema experience to the next level with Acoustic Center Sync. Your TV acts as your central speaker with the sound bar sending out vibrations that bounce off your walls. This gives you multiple sound sources and it makes it feel like the action's happening all around you. If you'd like to find out more info about the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.